Oh man, I got some bad news for you. So as you know, you guys saw me yesterday driving up and down, an hour away, an hour back to pick up the Toyota Venza and the 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Man, that thing only had 65,000 miles. Go to turn on the engine and clunk, clunk, clunk. Man, so it's got something. So sounds like a rod. Might be a bent valve or something, but sounds like a rod, definitely. So I called the dismantling yard. They had an engine for $350. So man, did I look out. But you know what? I did all my due diligence, as I always do. I have a spreadsheet, you know, where I put in all the things that I have to purchase, whether it's tires, engines, labor, all that. So I already had everything calculated prior for worst case scenario on this car. So it ended up being worst case scenario. I guess that's why you got the car for cheap, right? It looked amazing though. So it is what it is. It's cool. So right now I'm taking the 2013 Toyota Venza that I picked up from the same guy. This thing rides nice. It's perfect, no issues. But I'm taking it to my buddy for an inspection. Have him go through the entire car, see what needs to be done, what doesn't need to be done. You know, for me, I know it needs a mirror cap, it needs 2 front tires, it needs a detail. It definitely needs a detail. And then other than that, he'll go in there, check all my fluids, make sure nothing's leaking, and then I'll go from there. But so far, out of those 2 cars that I purchased, one was great. The second one's gonna be great too. It's just gonna take a little more work than I anticipated. Boy, would I have been happy to freaking put that key in, turn it on, and if it would have just started and I was able to drive it back down home, I'd have been a freaking happy camper. But things aren't that easy, right? So you just gotta work for it, and once you're working hard towards it, outcome ends up positive, right? So that's what's happening today. I have a big day. I'm gonna be running around all day, getting parts for these 2 cars, getting the engine delivered, getting things towed to the shops. Man, I need a tow dolly for sure. Tow dolly, a trailer, I gotta rent one. I gotta figure something out, because now that I'm doing this all day long, tow trucks are going to start getting expensive. I've been using AAA. I have 4 tows under my name. I added my girlfriend, so I got 4 tows that way. I might actually have to add my sister and get another 4 tows. So we'll see how it all works out. But ideally, I need to get a trailer. I just don't have an area to store it in. So that's what I'm looking to do. So this is the Venza, dropping it off the way it sits. So we're walking up to the Jag right now, so you guys can check it all out. Check that thing out, nice, huh? Look at these tires, man. Some BF Goodrich, nice and meaty. So this is the reason I took a gamble on this car. Check it out, see how clean it is. All the way around. 65,000 miles, it didn't have any keys. Well, look who's here. Get taken care of right here.
Tires out.